What's up, YouTube? Gonna be doing some chicken wraps here today. So what I got right here, I got some garlic herb seasoned chicken breast here, y'all. Gonna go ahead and throw a little bit more oil here. Got the griddle already heated up. Kind of oil down a little bit more. Go ahead and kind of smooth that out. Alright, let's check it out, y'all. Let's throw some pieces on there. Let's throw it on there. Got that garlic herb seasoned chicken breast there, y'all. Go ahead and kind of lower the heat a little because it has been preheating pretty well. Kind of just put it on medium there. Just to kind of knock it down. There's some good color there. Oh, I got my pin to check the temperature. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and let that cook. I'll get it a flip here pretty soon and we'll be back with y'all. Thanks. Alright, y'all, we're back. I'm about to go ahead and flip this chicken breast. So I'm gonna just kind of move them around to a new spot there. Alrighty, y'all, so we'll go ahead and let the other side cook now. Give y'all a look at this chicken there. Go ahead and let it finish cooking. We'll go ahead and let it finish cooking, y'all, so be back with y'all out here at Browning Lake. So, gonna make some chicken wraps. Peace out. Check it out. Got the Temp Pro Spike. Go ahead and check the internal temperature. You want to look for 165. So right now we're about 140. We're getting there, y'all. Go ahead and check this one right here. Right at about 138. 139, so we're about 140 on these chickens here. So I'm gonna go ahead and let them cook some more, y'all. Be back with y'all, peeps. Alrighty, y'all. So I pushed these off to the side here because I'm reading pretty good. Reading some good temperatures there. My chicken there. Right at 165 it was there. A lot of these were really 160, but that's because I pushed them off to the corner. I'm going to throw them back over here for a little bit. In that one. Alright, y'all gonna go ahead and check them out. Let's see where we're at here. So these are looking pretty cooked, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and pull them off. Looking good. When you're cooking chicken, you want to look for 165. These are looking all good right there, y'all. So yep, we're gonna go ahead and pull them, y'all. So let's check them out. Take a look here. Got that chicken right there. It's looking good on both sides. These are ready to get pulled, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap these in foil. Then we're gonna get on to the next step. And I'll see y'all soon with that. Peace. What up, y'all? Roasting up some peppers here, getting ready for the prep here. So let me show y'all what we got. These are to make our wraps. These are tortillas. Got some cheese, some bacon bits. We already got this cut. So we got here some lettuce and tomato ready to go in there. That's our bait. But yeah, y'all, ranch. So we're gonna get these prep. Here's the chicken here. Let me come around, show y'all the chicken here, y'all. Ready, sliced up here. It's looking pretty good, ready to go on. So check out that chicken there, y'all. So we're gonna make our wraps, prep them up. I'll show you once we get them on the grill. Peace out. Alrighty, y'all, so check it out. Go ahead and prepare a wrap here. Throw me down some lettuce. And go ahead and throw me down some tomato. Got some of those chiles there that I heated up. So let me show y'all this wrap, y'all. So I'm gonna throw me some tomato. Okay, and I got me 2 peppers there. Go ahead and put me some more pepper on there. Got me some peppers there. Go ahead and throw my chicken on there. Give me some chicken on there, y'all. Okay. I'm gonna throw me some cheese on there. Now I'm gonna throw me some bacon bits. Give me some bacon bits. Some ranch. Now here's the part where we figure out how to wrap it. You just go ahead and wrap it like that, y'all. Hopefully that'll hold. We'll bring it over here. Let's get her going right here. I might have to learn how to do the wrapping, y'all. For now, this will work. This will work. I'm going to put it folded side down first, so that way it can kind of toast up and close. We're gonna let that toast up there, y'all. Just showing y'all the process, and give y'all a little flip here pretty soon. Go ahead and prep another one here. Thanks for watching, y'all. Be back with y'all. Peace. Alright, y'all, gave it a little flip right there. So I'm letting it go some more on the other side now. And that's the wrap, y'all. Be back. Peace. Browning Lake chicken wraps. Alrighty, y'all, we got them wraps on there, toasting up pretty good. Go ahead and plate it up, and I'll be back with y'all for that bite. Thanks for watching. Peace. Alrighty, y'all. There's the wrap right there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut into it for y'all. Go ahead and cut into it here. Alrighty. Piece of avocado right there. Bon appetit, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna go ahead and eat this, y'all. Came out really good. Y'all go ahead and give this one a try. Real healthy, real simple, tastes good. I'm out of here, y'all. I'm gonna eat this. Thanks for watching, y'all. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.